Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Do you struggle to stay organized and on top of your tasks? Productivity apps can help streamline your day and boost your productivity. Hi, I'm Luke, and today we're taking a step-by-step guide on mastering popular productivity apps. From note-taking and task management to time tracking and collaboration, there's no shortage of productivity apps available. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll be focusing on some of the most popular and effective productivity apps, including Evernote, Trello, Todoist, and Rescue Time. First up is Evernote. This powerful note-taking app allows you to capture and organize your ideas, notes, and tasks in one place. With features like web clipping, voice notes, and document scanning, Evernote makes it easy to keep all your information at your fingertips. Next is Trello. This visual task management app uses a system of boards, lists, and cards to help you organize and prioritize your tasks. With customizable workflows and the ability to collaborate with others, Trello is a great tool for managing projects and staying on top of your to-do list. Todoist is another popular task management app. With its intuitive interface and powerful features like recurring tasks, reminders, and labels, Todoist makes it easy to stay organized and on track. Plus, with integrations with other apps like Google Calendar and Amazon Alexa, Todoist can help streamline your entire productivity system. Last but not least is Rescue Time. This time tracking app helps you understand how you're spending your time on your devices. With detailed reports and the ability to set goals and alerts, Rescue Time can help you identify distractions and make better use of your time. By mastering these popular productivity apps, you can streamline your day and boost your productivity. Give them a try and see how they can help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends who might find it helpful too, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. This is Luke signing off.